Let's look at how to graph the set of points that satisfy an inequality. So we have this inequality, y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. And so this line here represents y is equal to x plus 2. So if this had been just a greater than and it didn't have the equal sign underneath of it, this would be a dashed line, but it would still go through the same place. And then what we have to do is decide which set of points will make this true. So is that the points below this line or the points above this line? So an easy way to do this is to identify a point on one side and a point on the other side and test them by plugging them into this inequality and see if they hold true. So let's start with this 0, 0. And the other point I picked here was 0, 4. We'll start with 0, 0. So y is 0, and then this side is 0 plus 2. So the question is that going to end up greater than or equal to? And that is definitely not true. So put a slash through there. So we know that this side is not the side we want to shade. Okay, since this is false. Let's see if this holds true. So I have a point on the other side. So y is 4 here. We're looking at, is that greater than or equal to 0 plus 2? So I plug 0 in for x. And 4 is in fact greater than 2. So that would say that this side here is going to hold true. So we'll shade that side in. So this is the set, any point that's in this shaded area will satisfy this or will make this statement true. All right, go ahead and try this with the other one. So pause the video, pick 2 points on either side of that line and give it a try. All right, so you can pick any points you want. I'll pick, let's see, 0, 0 maybe, and let's do something like 4, 4. Just do something kind of creative, interesting. Generally, I try to pick the easiest point possible to plug in to do math, just to make my life easier. So I have 0, and is that less than 3 minus 0.5 times 0? So 0 is less than 3. That is true. So that would say the side was 0, 0. It's the side we should shade in. So any points in here, if we plug them in, we'll keep this true. Let's check and make sure the other side is actually going to be false. So if I plug in 4, 4, which is on this other side, I have 4. Is that less than 3 minus 0.5 times 4? So that would be 3 minus, so half of 4 is 2. So is 4 less than 1? That is definitely not true. It's false. So we would not shade that side in. Okay, one quick little note here. Notice that there is no equal sign under here. So this really should be a dashed line that you're looking at.